Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I noticed that I had some ripe bananas, really ripe bananas like this, and when they are in this color they are very sweet and soft, so I decided to make a milkshake out of them. So I had 3 bananas. This is the third one, the one that is in my hand. So I cut them like this, just big chunks, because I'm going to blend everything. And so I have 3 ripe bananas here. I have 2 tablespoons of pecans. They are small little pieces like this. I'm going to use condensed milk that I made before, and I'm going to put the link in the description, at the bottom of the description. And I'm going to use as well this recipe, which is called Kulfi, and I made it before, and I'm going to put a link of this recipe at the description. And of course I'm going to use milk and a little bit of ice cubes. So let's go and do it. Start doing it. I have my blender here. It's a little bit high, so I'm going to just use the top of it first. So I'm going to put all the bananas. You can use 1 or 2. It depends on whatever you have. I'm going to add the kulfi to it. It is already frozen, so I'm not going to use a lot of ice cubes because it's cold already. I'm adding the pecan pieces to it. Since the kulfi is sweet and the bananas are sweet, I'm not going to use a lot of condensed milk. I'm just going to maybe add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can do without. You don't have to add anything. As I said, the kulfi is sweet, and the bananas are sweet as well. I'm adding right now some milk. You can add like about a cup of milk, depending on how many cups you are going to use. You know, for how many people. I added like more than a cup, like about a cup and a half. And I'm going to add ice cubes. Now I'm going to cover it and put it in my blender. I know you can't see that much because it's so high. Okay, I'm done with blending it. I added more ice cubes because the milk that I had was not cold, and I want my milkshake cold. As you see, the color is pink because the kulfi has strawberries in it, and I just tasted it. It is really nice, and it has that nutty taste because of the nuts in it. And as a matter of fact, the kulfi has a little bit of nuts too. So please try it, and take pictures and put it at the bottom of the description, and tell me how it came out, and give me any suggestions, and if you have anything that you would like to see, or or would like me to put as a recipe for you guys, just let me know in the description, and I will be gladly to provide you with a video of the recipe of your choice.